The next thing we want to talk about is the Y branch. And the Y branch, this is a bit of a scraggly one. It's got a bit of Y on it. And it's a bit short. They're both a bit short really, but I'm going to do one just to show you. The reason they want to be slightly longer than knee height is because they go under there, and this determines the height that the pot hanger is going to hang at. So, which with your billy can on determines where you want the fire. So if you're doing it over a fire pit, you're obviously going to have to move that right up there to get the height. If you're doing the fire on the ground, you can obviously have it lower. So these do alter, but a rough guide is always higher than your knee, probably up to your waist. So that's that start of that. And these want to be about 6 foot long, and they will be pointed at one end and chisel tipped at the other. The Y hanger, we want to put a point on the bottom, same as before, 3 cut point. Just chucking into it, turn around, there we go, turn around. Until you get your triangle. Which is a bit of a narrow one though. As I say, always cover your tools up. If you're leaving it with other people around, just get your knife and give her a bit of a finish off. Back to your point again. The other thing I like to do on the Y hangers is just go around the tops with them. This is just a personal thing, it's not actually detrimental, it's just something I do just to round them off so you're not catching on anything. And there we have that. The other thing I like to do is just take the bits off if there's big chunks, which I probably should have done before I did the point. But hey ho, they're off. And that's your Y branch.